This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by measuring and heating water because temperature determines extraction. Bring 1 cup to the correct heat for the tea type. Once the kettle clicks or reaches a near boil, pour a small splash into the mug to warm it. This prevents shock and keeps flavor consistent. Make sure to have your tea ready, bag or infuser, in the mug before the main pour, so the leaves start releasing aroma immediately when hot water hits them. You control strength by steep time and temperature. Pour the hot water over the tea and start a timer. This gives predictable extraction. Once done with the initial pour, watch the color and inhale the aroma to judge progress. Lighter for green, darker for black. Make sure to remove the bag or infuser at the target time to prevent tannins from making the cup bitter. And if you want stronger flavor, brief additional steeps often work better than oversteeping once. You finish by tasting and adjusting. Add sweetener or milk sparingly and stir. Each addition changes perceived strength and mouthfeel. Once cooled a minute or two to drinkable temperature, sip to confirm balance. Make sure to note what you changed so the next cup matches your preference. If the tea is bitter or astringent, dilute with hot water or reduce steep time next round. Alternatively, use slightly cooler water or fewer leaves to prevent repeating the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.